Stop by and take a look at the 2020 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, autonomous braking, rear view camera, leather upholstery. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.